This is a Rovinka 1.25 liter compact electric stone wet grinder. The function a stone wet grinder is most recommended for is to grind soaked dal or lentils for fluffy idlis. I am grinding at the moment. Soak 2 cups of lentils into a nice fluffy batter in my Rovinka Tabletop stone wet grinder. It takes a little longer than you would in a regular mixer. It takes approximately 25 minutes, in fact. But the end result is extremely fluffy and makes your idli fluff up effortlessly. The quantities as well you can grind at a time is up to 5 to 6 cups in this little compact Rovinka. I started by adding just a little bit of water, maybe less than quarter of a cup, and then as it was running I gradually added the dal, and now I'm going to let it run. If you feel you need more water, you can keep adding it from the top. Rovinka, presented to you by Cuisine and Spice Essentials.